Today's Country 95.5.
Nevin here with another air fryer recipe for you. I love making waffles, and I'm going to show you how you can easily reheat or heat up just some frozen waffles in your air fryer. So what you'll be doing is you'll be taking your waffles, you'll be laying them in a nice even layer in the bottom of the air fryer. And once they're in your air fryer basket ready to go, you slide it in. Set it up for 360 for 4 minutes. Alright, air fryer just went off, so let's see how they look. Pretty good, but we're going to give them a quick flip. And then we'll chuck these back in for another couple minutes, just so that the bottom side can get more done. So we'll do 360 again. This time we'll just do a couple minutes on the back side. Alright, last 2 minutes just went off. Not looking too bad. Now for everybody's favorite part, time to taste test. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for waffles. I still have yet to have breakfast today, so this is perfect. Definitely a better crunch than if you toast them. Worth giving it a shot. I recommend it.